Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my kitchen for another fun baking video. Today I'm going to show you how to bake my very favorite Christmas cookies. They are called Big Soft Ginger Cookies. And I found this recipe on allrecipes.com. They are big, they are soft, they are sweet, and they're chewy. They are so good. So let's go ahead and go through all of the ingredients that we're gonna need for this cookie recipe before we get started. So here's what you're gonna need to make these cookies. You're gonna need a mixer of some kind, so I have my KitchenAid mixer here. You can also use a hand mixer. You're gonna need flour, baking soda, sugar, softened butter or margarine, ginger, salt, cinnamon, cloves, 1 egg, molasses, and all of your cooking utensils. Let's get started.
First, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, get a large bowl and your sifter and start adding your dry ingredients in. You're going to add 2 1/4 cup of flour to your sifter, followed by 3/4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Lastly, take your sifter and sift all of your ingredients until they are very finely blended together. Next, get the bowl that you are planning to use with your mixer. This bowl is going to hold your wet ingredients, so we are going to add in 3/4 cup of softened margarine or butter, then add 1 cup of sugar to the butter mixture. Now it's time to grab your mixer and start blending all of your ingredients together slowly. Using the level 2 setting got my butter and sugar mixture nice and fluffy, which is just what I wanted. Next, you're going to grab your egg, crack it, and add it into your mixture. Now it's time to mix these ingredients together as well. Next, I'm going to change out this attachment for a spatula type of attachment. It works a lot better when you start adding in flour and things. Now it's time to add in the thing that makes these so soft and delicious. Add in 1/4 cup of molasses and 1 tablespoon of water. Now it's time to mix all of the wet ingredients together, and you will get this really interesting orangey color, which I can only say is brought about by the molasses, but this is what gives your ginger cookies that beautiful orangey color. Now it's time to start adding in our dry ingredients, but before we get started with that, I like to add on my shield to my mixer just to protect my counters and things from making a huge mess with the flour. Set your mixer on low and gradually add in your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. Ooh, now these are really starting to look like ginger snaps. Yummy! Look at that, you guys! Now it's time to start placing this cookie dough on the sheet. So you're going to roll a ball of about the size of a walnut between your hands into a ball, and then you're going to take that ball and you're going to put it into the sugar bowl and roll it all around and get it covered in that delicious sweet sugar. Place the ball on the pan and gently flatten the top of it. Now this recipe does make 24 cookies, so you're gonna need at least 2 pans for this, and it's just a bunch of repeat process after this. Now that our oven is fully preheated, our cookies are ready to go in. I like to put mine on 2 separate racks when I do cookies, so in they go. Set your timer for between 8 and 10 minutes. My timer just went off, and look at these gorgeous cookies, you guys. Pull them out of the oven and set them aside on a cooling rack or remove them from the pan so they can cool separately. I don't know about you, but I can't control myself around hot, fresh cookies. I have to eat them while they're still hot. Look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so delicious. Now that my cookies have fully cooled down, it is time to move them to an airtight container, and I found this really cute one from Dollar General, and I didn't realize until last year that this container actually has a huge typo, and it says fresh baled cookies.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it fun and helpful. If you decide to bake these cookies, I would love to know what you think down in the comments below. I know you're going to love them. I sure did. I had 3 while I was baking. So that is my quota for the day. I won't be having any more today. I will probably have some more tomorrow though. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching.